of me.
What is the date of the FIR?
That's 23rd of May 2024.
23rd.
Yes.
And date of complaint is also thereafter, after the marriage. What is the date of the complaint? She was also married.
She was married. It was 23rd of June 23 she got married.
And the allegations are relatable to what period?
It's about 20, she says 4 years. So 2019, 2020.
And what was the age of the so-called victim?
She at that time would have been about 20 odd years, 22 years. 98 is the year of birth.
22.
20.
And this appellant?
She's 25 today.
What is the stage of the investigation?
The charge sheet has been filed on the 18th.
Charge sheet on?
On the 18th of July.
Yes, for anticipatory bail, this has been declined.
Yeah, they were in the relationship and the complainant got married. Later on, when she got married, the petitioner keep on calling to the husband, and because of all those brothers, the divorce also happened to her. Later on, after a divorce also, then again, he forcefully called her and things were done, and he went, later when he got married, she filed and...
now he is married, he will not trouble.
But he promised her for marriage, my lord. And the divorce also occurred for that basis only.
We don't know about divorce. The fact remains that, see, she got married before the appellant. She got married before the appellant. And these incidents are of 2019-20. Right. She kept quiet for 4 years. She's an adult.
I understand.
Then?
But during her marriage also, there was the interference from the side of the petitioner.
That is there. He wanted to get married to her, but she got married. Then ultimately, he also got married. What to do?
And he forced him for the divorce, ladyship. That is why she came out of from the marriage, and later on, then she realized he is getting married to somebody else.
Now, what about that other husband of hers? Why don't you bring them together? Let them undergo one more marriage. If he is also not married, why not? It's permissible under the Hindu Marriage Act. After a divorce, they have to get married again if they want to live together. Please advise it's all because of your client.
It's, on this calling after the marriage, because I've seen the chat sheet, there is no such material. There is an allegation, but there's no CDR or anything of that.
Nothing. We don't know why. See, if they want to live together, they can again get married and live together. We don't know why they divorced. Otherwise, now he'll have to you will arrest him. Let the trial go on if they want, unless he gets a quashing done. Let the trial go on. Leave granted. Learned counsel for the petitioner, for the appellant submitted that the allegations relate to the period 2019-2020. The complainant was a major even at that age, at that time. That the complainant got married in
2023.
Married on 23/6/2023, and the appellant also subsequently has married on 25/2024. 3 days after his marriage, the complaint has been filed against him on 23/5/2024. Charge sheet has also been filed on completion of the investigation on 18/7/2024. That having regard to the fact that there was a consensual relationship between the appellant and the complainant, who are both adults at the relevant point of time, the allegation made subsequent to the appellant getting married under section 376(2)(n) is without any basis. In the circumstances, the appellant may be granted anticipatory bail. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondent state submitted that having regard to the serious nature of the allegation and bearing in mind the fact that the complainant has also recently been divorced. There is a needle of suspicion which points to the actions of the appellate herein. In the circumstances, having regard to the offences alleged against the appellant, this court may simply dismiss the appeal. We have considered the submissions advanced at the bar in light of the circumstances of the case and the material on record. All right, allowed. Then let it be 25,000 rupees subject to cash security with 2 lakh sureties. Shall extend complete cooperation in the ensuing trial. Now investigation is over. And not misuse his liberty, not in any way influence the witnesses or tamper the material on record. Otherwise, bail may be cancelled. Yes.
Right.
Yeah, please, Your Lord. Your Lordship, in the last date, there was a presentation from the union. Now,
Lordship, sir,
I mean, just-
seeking